What is up, everybody? Nolan with Black Diamond Services. So, we hit over 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for helping me get there. It is official now. I think last time I checked it was 1,002 total subs. So thank you guys. I really appreciate the support and making it happen. I'm just heading on to my next job here, so long as the client is okay with it, I am going to get some video footage of some carpet cleaning and tile cleaning for you. We just finished a wood and carpet cleaning job. This one unfortunately got us in a situation where I did not have time to do any video, so I apologize for that. But this next one up will be, I'll be able to get probably a full room of carpet cleaning, and then there's some tile right next to it that I'm doing while Adam is doing carpet upstairs. Today is quite a big day. Very thankful. The whole time I was doing this job that in the morning here, had like 4 people booked jobs. Something about Mondays. Almost every Monday we get hit with a bunch of phone calls. I guess that's the day to get things scheduled in our area. So very thankful for that. I'm just heading to grab a little something to eat on my way to the next stop. Just wanted to do a little intro, thanking you guys again for all the love and support, the comments, the likes. That's what gets the videos recommended to others that might enjoy them, is when you guys leave those likes and comments down there. So really appreciate you taking that moment to type something up of what you enjoyed about it. And for those that are particularly noticing this, I didn't catch this at first when I had it put on there, but if you look back here, you will see that they accidentally forgot the I in diamond. So it says Black Diamond. I didn't catch that at first. So I gotta have that remade and plastered on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and say that before somebody in the comments is like, hey, do you realize that's misspelled? Like I said, I didn't catch it right at first. And then I started doing a video the other day, and I was like looking at it, just sitting there at my place before taking off, and sure enough, I'm like, wait a second, there's no I. So gotta have that replaced. But anyways, guys, so next up, as long as the client's okay with it, some carpet cleaning and some tile cleaning. So later this week, there's going to be a gap where there's no videos. My family and I are going on a little vacation. It's been over a year and a half since we've done something as a family, so we're trying to make a point of that. Us, the boys, and some of her family's coming with us, so we're looking forward to that. So we're leaving later this week, and so I appreciate you guys again so much. I will be back with more video as soon as possible. Like I said, a lot of this channel is documentation of the business, and of course videos for you guys to enjoy, and then the occasional ASMR video when I can do that. Usually those are best suited on empty homes where I don't have to worry about furniture or anybody's belongings, and I can just do whatever kind of video I want without any issues. So there will be more of those, because with the housing market as it is right now, with great interest rates, I've been getting a lot more empty houses. So I will get you some videos, no talking, just straight up cleaning as soon as possible. So thank you guys for sticking with me. Hope you enjoy the rest of the video, and I will see you in the next one. Alright guys, just COD'd these portion of the stairs. A little easier for me to do this side than Adam trying to come around and do this side. So I did a little test clean the other week on the tile so she can see how it's going to shape up. And so leading on to what I was saying about finding out the customer's needs, doing little things like that help secure the job and show that you can get it done. But not only that, it will tell you if there's something on the floor that needs to be stripped off, because occasionally that happens. And if you don't do a test clean, then you come here to go clean it after they've already agreed upon a price, and there's an acrylic sealer, mop and glow, whatever the case may be on there, you're going to end up doing up to twice as much work for half the price. So that's something that I tried to harp at my old job to do, because we ran into that situation kind of often, at least for me. I did it many times when the salesman didn't test clean it, and then all of a sudden now I'm stripping, cleaning, and resealing an entire floor for half the normal rate. And my job would just say, do it, just get it done. And at that point you're at a complete loss. So that's why I pretty much test clean every single job before I accept it, because there's no reason as a cleaner that we should be accepting pre-existing conditions. It's just gonna hurt your business, and that's just what I've learned. I don't want to accept anybody else's problems that could make my job really difficult, and then obviously the business will be at a loss, and that's not good. When a business is at a loss, and that happens multiple times, especially how COVID and everything's going, you can't afford to get losses. So that's just my suggestion to those that are tile cleaners or are looking to get in the tile. If you happen to be watching this video, make sure you get yourself a good tile cleaner, and get a drill and at least a red bristle brush that goes on the drill, and do test cleans. I'm telling you, it's going to be worth your time. Not only will it help get you the job, but it will keep you from running into headaches. Last thing you need to do is get into the business and start out at a loss. And for those that are just watching because you enjoy these videos, that's what we look for. We want to do the absolute best job for you guys as possible. And in order for us to do that, we have to have all necessary information laid out in front of us in order to approach the job properly. So am I just coming in with an alkaline cleaner like Groutmaster, or am I coming in with a stripping agent, a buffer, and a stripping pad, and stripping the floor first? Things we must know in order to do an awesome job for you guys. So that's why it's important to do test cleans. You can see it from here. Obviously this floor is going to clean right up, so I'm pretty stoked on that. Alright, I was discussing something here, and I got a phone call and booked another job. Monday this week is on fire for booking jobs. We got 5 new jobs to lay alone so far. I have no idea what I was talking about. It cut me off right in the middle of it whenever a phone call comes in. No, it had something to do with what I was talking about earlier, about there being enough work for everybody and sharing information. test cleaning and all that. I have no idea what it was anymore. Finished cleaning underneath the couch. Got it moved back in position. Finish out this living room and then move over to that office hallway. Kind of regret not wearing shorts today. It was supposed to be a max of 70, but sweating pretty good. Tomorrow is supposed to be 75 here, so definitely gonna wear shorts. I was expecting the morning to have kind of a wind chill like it has in the past couple days here in this February, but it didn't today. So now I'm sweating more than normal. This is thick carpet, so that doesn't help. A little harder to push through. When you're running the Profire, you got great suction, great lift. It's a little bit harder work, but guess what? Carpets come out drier and cleaner faster. So kind of evens out. As far as how hard it goes, I should say. A little more struggle at first. Generally, most everything I clean happens faster. So I still do slow passes back like this. But when you have a carpet that's not in that bad of shape, one slow pass tends to do the trick. Had ample dwell time for the pre-treatment too, considering I've had a couple phone calls come through for jobs while I was here, so I got a little extra time before I finish running the CRB. So I'm not going all the way to that edge. There's one thing you gotta watch out for too. When you get in these bigger rooms like this, and because I'm filming and I'm going a little bit slower than I normally would, you don't want to go across these large rooms when they get to be 15 plus feet before you come back for your dry passes, because you don't want the moisture to be sitting in the carpet for too long. And that whole idea is going to vary depending on your machine, how much it pulls out, and how much you have it set to put down. So keep that in mind. did that. And then come over here. We got that far corner when I was doing the couch, so I just had to go up to the fireplace. Look at that. It was nuts. I didn't even have to scrub this. It's just coming right off. So this goes back into the reason why I test clean. You can see that clean spot over there that I was talking about earlier. Test clean, it also tells you how well it's going to clean and how quick it's going to clean. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't, because this is crazy, guys. Get the edges after the main area here. Oh man, she stepped out for a short period of time. She's going to come back and be thrilled. And that's just nuts how much it's cleaning up. It's got a little bit more work to do, but wow. Where I stopped and started